Well, what's in the box? I got two here, but I don't know why I got two. Make sure. Oh yeah. Oh, weird. So that size. Well, it's a miniature one. It's mini. Okay, this is a mini air conditioner. So I've got a big one for the THX cinema, and this will be hopefully for the near close proximity on the bed. Take the edge off, if you know what I mean. Wow, I like this front. Wow, look at that. Use that for acoustical. Look at that shape. Yeah, spray paint it and it'll look like science fiction. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, it's cosmetic design, and yeah, plug that into the, what's it? Yeah, okay, gotcha. Huh. It's about the same size it goes on the phone, isn't it? I mean the end of it. It's pretty self-explanatory, this. You've got to put water into it to for it to give a cooling. Anything in here? I need some focus. Some short distance now. Getting very short distance. Or did someone's car explode down the road? Well, that's a good thing, because that'd be one less motorist on the road. I think that is a panel that. I think that's flip up or whatever. Oh no, it comes off there. Okay, gotcha. This is probably where you put the water. There's a curve fan, and then there's a. Oh, okay. It's probably got a filter on it. Let's put it down again. There's, just get this. What's it off? It's got a filter on it, yeah. Gotcha. Oh right. Okay, yeah, that's for the vent, for the because of the blowing the air vertical. So you can't adjust horizontal. Well, that's not even either. You only have to, tilt it, rotate it, and then use the vertical because of the angle on the. I think it's always better to read the instruction. There we go. So it goes English and so forth to different other language. Master button. Okay, auxiliary, master button. And it goes to different other languages in here. So I'm going to grab a wasset, so I'll just stop this part here and then resume. Okay, I've got a power supply on it. I'm going to pour the water in. I'll pour some water in. Make sure I get the lid back on secure. Okay. Oh, there's the fan. Okay. What the bloody hell's with a light show? Do I need a light show? Well, fan noise is a bit on the loud side. So what's it measure like on the off axis? And it's going to be pretty near if I'm on the bed. I can feel some coolness, but hang on. Or is it got to turn it round the other way? Yeah, I've got to turn it round the other way. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Flow going that way. Let's put a little bit more water in it. This isn't a mega sort of super sort of thing, you know. So this would be only close proximity. I have to say, for argument's sake, I've never put the soda meters blowing air on, you know, on the, you know. I'll have to say, for argument's sake, I can always wear earplugs, so that ain't going to be a problem. It's somewhere between 65 and 70 dB. What does it measure actually in frequency? Well, I haven't got the the rest of the mixer and the RTA plugged in at the moment, so it's nowhere near as the sound pressure frequency and such as the Ever air conditioner. But let me just see if I can feel it on the body. Distance. Yeah. I think it's okay-ish. It's not super cool. I don't think I don't know what this is, but sorry. I'll just see if I read up a little bit more. Oh, I think that's a variable light. You get like a little like a George Lucas light show. Well, I wouldn't need a light show when I'm sleeping, if you know what I mean. Oh well. Pull out the container drawer and remove the filter. Soak the filter in cold water and put it back in place. Not required. The filter can be frozen in a refrigerator. After soaking, the effect will be better. Supply cooling. Hang on. Supply cooling air. 15 Celsius. Fill the water tank of the next fan directly using ice water or ice cubes for better effect. Oh, okay. Well, I had the water in the fridge and it was slightly chilled. I think there's a bit of a pro and con on this sort of thing. Use the water ice cubes for better cooling air. 5 and 8 Celsius. Plug USB cord in, blah blah blah. Okay, let's check. Master button, key and control, power fan. Click the button to switch between high, medium and okay, and fog off, press and hold. Oh, it's this one here. Oh yeah, I can hear the speed slowing down. Okay. Just feeling the airflow. Oh yeah, I can hear it's pitching down a bit in slow. Alright, okay. This, I think I've got to have my face near it because that's what's important. So it'd be more near to where I'll be sleeping and aiming, and also the sound pressure level's gone down, as well as frequency, or the frequency and sound pressure. Well, that feels okay-ish. That feels okay-ish. And I think if you press again, okay, that's off, and then that's at higher speed. Let's go medium. Let's see what the bear thinks. What do you think of it, Bear? You feel the cool air? What do you think of it? Also, what's the SBL like actually sort of gone down, roughly? If I keep the SBL meter up close, because the closer you put it, the more sound pressure. So I'm keeping it at this distance, it's about just over 80 dB. Still about 80, and that's off. And still staying at about the same SPL there. Let's check it over on this angle. Off axis slightly. Just under 80. Stepping down a few dB. Sorry, that wasn't 80, that was 70 dB. That's stepping down a bit, so that's 60, about 63 67 dB. About 62. Okay, about 62 dB there. And turn it round. suppose it could be anywhere to maybe about 70 dB, maybe about 70 and just a little bit further back. Maybe about 60. I mean, the big air conditioner is around about 60 dB or so ish, even over a few meter distance. So yeah, I think that'll be it. So I think I can live with that. On this setup in the bedroom, ready for tonight. I might do another video doing an actual test sort of thing, another test. Okay, actually testing it on the bed. Yeah, one thing, I might have to make some sort of mounting thing for this. Very simple, fixing on the wall. I think too sophisticated, because if I move around, this water could slip over and you know, it's only water, you know. Just needs to be counterbalanced and sort of thing. It's not a big tall order, but I could find another position to put it. Oh, I don't like the colour there. You see this colour? Kind of green sort of thing. Well, that's not what I'm seeing, because I see kind of bluish, a kind of white blue, because it's a filter or something. No, this is transparent, I think, and it's just the got to lower the see, this is the thing, the same colour problem, the third artifact colour that usually happen with movie 4K rubbish discs. Where's my ISO? Turn it down. That's it. That's it. And you can see it flickering because of the that's the light. That's the light in there. So that's a light frequency. So, but you can see the colour has changed. But the actual, you know, video things, devices are very tricky things to sort of set up. It's one of my pet hates that I see with this rubbish 4K format. Let's adjust that and go that to there. I'm not really getting rid of this bloody effect, this artifact. It's something that I absolutely hate. Anyway, there's only so many parameters on this camera that I can adjust and so forth. But you can see that horrible colour, can't you? It's absolutely horrible. That's the sort of thing that you shouldn't see on 4K Blu-rays, whatever, because of the because video cameras tend to see this sort of thing. They mix in a third artifact colour, and it is one of these colours that are absolutely ghastly. You see a lot of it in the Abyss. So when that crappy 4K Abyss comes out, those light floodlights under the ocean, well, under the set and all that, they should appear as the colour should appear as white and blue, not white and green and blue, cyan or whatever. You know, does it matter? Anyway, but this seems to work. It takes the edge off. It feels cooler. Oh yeah, nice.